Hi friends, so today's video are going to be these personalized beads, if I could get the camera going right. Now I made these upright because I'm going to be putting them on badge reels, but you would of course change the direction of them based on what it is that you're using them for. Sorry, trying to get a good picture there for you. But these came out so cute, and these of course are done with resin. You can do them with epoxy as well, and I'm actually going to do a set of personalized ones with epoxy. So these are just adorable, and stay tuned and see how they're made. I'll see you later. Bye. Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you for stopping in. Today we are going to make some beads. Maybe we'll see how it turns out. I haven't done this before, but I was looking through some of my stuff and it sparked me to want to do this. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. So I am going to do a couple things. I am going to use some different glitter. I've got hot sauce and chiffon. I've got these little kind of rock pieces here. I've got some letters. I got some little piggies, some stickers. I have these two. I got these from AliExpress a long time ago. Like, I'll be honest, I don't know if they, like, how you were supposed to use them. They're just like these printed images on like a hard paper. Oh, I don't know how to use them. They didn't come with instructions. I've had them sitting around, so I just cut these two little pictures off and I'm going to use them also. I got some tweezers. I got some toothpicks. I have some little pipettes. And then the last part of it that spiked me to think about wanting to do this, I'll show you those pieces after when I get ready to use them. I'm using my UV resin hard type by Resin Rockers. And I'm going to start, I'm just going to put it in one of these containers here so I could use a pipette, because I'm also using this bead mold, and this came from Hobby Lobby. So I am going to see about making some different beads and see how they turn out. All right, let's see. So I'm going to do these in kind of pieces. Now, I don't know, maybe the pipette's not the way to go. Let's see. I don't want it all the way full just yet, but I do want it enough to make sure that, you know, those are covered and there's not like little holes. So these beads, these are little teeny tiny ones, $21.99 from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I got them when they were 50% off. I wouldn't have paid that much for them. I have some of this gold foil. Just gonna put some in there. All right, I'm gonna put these under for 4 minutes, a good full 4 minutes, and then we'll come back. Piggies. So now, I'm not really liking this as much. I don't know, these might be too big. I'm gonna try these. These might be too big too. Just a little bit more in here, not much. I'm gonna put the tiniest bit of blue mica powder in here. All right, we're gonna put this under now for 4 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, so now, just wanna make sure I don't, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm just kind of taking them out right now. All right, so these actually turned out really cute. All right, so here, this is the one with the little gold pieces in it. Super cute, and I was just making sure that, you know, the hole went all the way through. I'll show you what the next part I'm gonna do. But this turned out really good. So I feel like if I had a syringe to be able to put it in with, it would have, you know, done better, because you guys saw the challenge I had trying to get it in. But here's this one with the little black pieces going in there, super cute. All right, this is the one with stickers. So these are little flamingos. So look, a little flamingo bead, and then I put pink up at the top. That turned out really cute. Okay, so this one, I put the little blocks in, and the RN turned out super good in the bead. All right, so this is the one that had the hardest challenge, which I'm sad about it because it's so cute, but I think because of those pieces being plastic, but this is the little fish and the top of it's blue. Like, this turned out cute. And then last but not least, here is our little piggy bead, and that turned out really, really cute too. So these are ones that turned out really good. So this is what I have. These are little like bead spacers, if you can see that. And I got these from AliExpress. I've seen them on Amazon and stuff also. And then look, these little crowns, I got these also from AliExpress. So this is my thought. Now, if I'm using these ones here, I definitely will need to make sure that I have it lined up. You know what I mean? But look how cute that's going to be. So I'll use this just to make sure that it's lined up well. And that'll be super cute. And then I've got this one that will also be super cute on them. So I'll do, I think I'm going to do 3 crowns and then 2 with this. So I think on this piggy one though, I want a crown. It's so cute. So I'm gonna just put some, right there. And then I'm gonna take my crown with tweezers. And I'm gonna just kind of dip it in and then put it on. I'm going to hold this first for a minute just to make sure. All right, now that it's on good, now I'll just sit it and let it. I need to sit it on something though. I'll sit it on here. That'll work. Perfect. So now I'm going to do this one, and I'll give you guys a really good up close. Gonna hold it first and then I'll put it on the All right, so I want you guys to be able to see my little beads. So this one, I got RN, little bead with the crown. So this is how they'll sit up, you know, on the string. So if I want to use these on like badge reels, which is what I'll put these aside for. So, but look. How cute is that? It's got a little crown, the little RN inside the bead. I mean, so cute. We'll take that one off so you can see. And so then the next one here are the little piggies. So look, see, I put little piggies through. It's got some, you know, pink on there and little crown. So I have this, let me just show you real quick. I have this this mold here, and look, it's a little piggy snout. So I was thinking about doing just a pink, like probably something like this. I'll do all pink glitter, put the snout on and put little eyes, and then use the little pink piggy bead. How cute is that? So cute. Anyways, so here's the little piggy bead. Isn't that just adorable? I love it. And then this one is just, you know, the little gold flakes in there with the little crown. Super cute. And then these ones. So cute. So this is the little silver. You know the little pieces in there, and then it's got this little top on there, and from the side, just so you can see how that looks. Really cute. And then here are the little flamingos, and these are just, again, just little stickers in there, and then I put some pink glitter on the top of it, and then here's the side with that little bead topper there on it. So cute. Turned out adorable. So anyways, those are my personalized beads. I love how they turned out. And listen, I hope that you liked the video. I hope you found it helpful. And I'll see you later, friends. Bye.